This is Levy with Exceptional Glass. Today we are in Dover, New Jersey, and we're going to install a beautiful shower, or should I say exceptional shower. We're going to use pivot hinges in this type of shower because we're going to use an oversized door. The reason why we're going to use an oversized door is because it's a semi-handicapped shower. So we want to make sure we have enough space so that the clients and the client's family could get in with no problem. All the colors are going to be chrome, and I just cannot wait until you see the finishing touch and the total project. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Guys, we're halfway done. We have this panel set up, we have the hinge set up, and we're setting up this hinge right now. As you can see, it's not secure yet. We made sure that it was completely level, made sure that everything was done correctly. These holes are marked now, we're ready to drill. So we'll be right back to show you how it looks. Alright guys, as you can see, it's up and running. It's all good. We're going to do a final walkthrough, but we're going to clean real quick and get this ready to go for clients. We're going to even walk through and let them know all the beautiful work we did. All the beautiful work.
All the beautiful work.
All of it.
Yeah.
Guys, we're all done, finally finished, and we tweaked it a little bit, made it just a little bit better. So let me just show you the hardware we used. Fully chrome. These are UZ79s from CRL. The best of the best brass hardware. Obviously has the chrome coating on top. Beautiful tubular handle with the
Offset pivots.
The offset pivot hinges. And here, let me show you guys the trick that I'm talking about. We love to do this when we have the chance. And what is that? Let me show you. You're done showering. What are you gonna do? Bring the door in. You let all the water fall inside. This is one of the best features that we love to implement when we have the space and when we have the time to do. If you're seeing this, please request it. We can always make adjustments, and we can prepare for it with sizes and all measurements. So yeah, this is it. If you need one of these, please make sure to give us a call at 888-834-5277. That's 888-83-GLASS, and visit our website, njglassdoors.com. Thank you.